There's a cold beer calling my name. Feel a good time coming, got a new song humming, and the sunset doing its thing. Feeling lucky as a 7, yeah, sometimes heaven is a pocket full of payday cream. And my baby's putting sugar on me, yeah, it's sure been a pretty good day. And there's a cold beer calling my name, yeah. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions on how to play this, and if there's other songs you'd like to learn, please let me know those in the comments as well. This is How to Play Cold Beer Calling My Name by Jameson Rodgers, featuring Luke Combs. This is a great song, and it's super easy to play. So there's only 3 chords you're going to use. I'm going to show you the chords, I'm going to show you the strumming pattern, and kind of like where you play them and everything in the song. So let's get right to it. So this song is in standard tuning, and there's no capo. All right, so you're just going to use 3 chords. You're going to use G, E minor, and C. Now the way you're going to start this song is you're going to do G, all right, then E minor, C, and G. Okay, now stick with me a little bit because I'm going to show you how to strum it differently for the verse and the chorus. Okay, after the chorus it's just all pretty much the same thing. So the way you're going to do this is you're going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's the strumming. Okay, now the way you're going to do this, so that it's just to go over that a little slower for you. It's down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you start over. So you do G, E minor, C, G, and then you just restart that. Okay. And you do that twice. You do G, E minor, C, G twice with no lyrics, okay? And then when you start playing the first verse, you're gonna still do that same strumming pattern. There's another one you can do, I'll show you, that's super easy, but I don't think it sounds quite as good. But so the way that you could do it is you could just do strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute. So you just do G, mute, E minor, mute, C, mute, G, mute. Otherwise, you can just keep doing it the way you did the intro, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, just like that. But just try and play the lower strings on here. So just try and play kind of like from D down, D, G, B, little E, okay? So just try and do those. So you would just do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And just do it a little softer too. Now that gives the song, because they're definitely doing it a lot softer in the verses, okay? So the way you play the verses, it's been 1 is G, one of them, clock it in, knock is E minor, knock it out, clock it out, bout, so bout is C, about to kick off the weekend, so end is where you do G, end. There's a stretch, so stretch is G, stretch a black top, I never, so never is E minor, never seen a cop, so I'm pushing is C, pushing it a little past 10, so 10 is G. 10. Pull the little, so little is G. So pull the little is G. Pull the little money from the bank. So bank is E minor. Bank. Put it in the tank. So tank is C. Tank. Shine up the wind. So windshield. Wind is G. Windshield glass. Don't. So you're staying on G. Don't know where the night might lead. So lead is going to be E minor. Lead. Ain't nowhere to be. So B is C, B, but I gotta get, so get there fast, get is G. Get there fast, okay, and then you're gonna go louder into the chorus. So you're gonna do, there's a cold, and you're doing the same strumming pattern here, remember, okay? So you're just doing G, E minor, and the same chord progression. G, E minor, C, G. There's a cold, so cold is G. Cold beer calling my name, and name is E minor, name. Feeling good, so good is C. Good time coming, got a new, so new is G. New song humming, and the sun, so sunset, so sun is where you do C, sorry, G. Sunset's doing its thing, thang is E minor, thang. Feeling lucky, lucky is a 7 is C, so lucky is a 7, lucky as a 7, yeah, some. So yeah, some is where you're gonna do G. Sometimes heaven is a pocket, pocket is G. Pocket full of payday green. Green is E minor, green. And my baby is C. Baby putting sugar on me. Me Yeah is where you can do G. Yeah, it's sure been a pretty good day. And all right, good day is where you can do E minor. Good day. And there's a cold. So cold is C, easy to remember. Cold beer calling my name. All right, and name is G. Name, yeah. Then you're just gonna do G, E minor, C, G once with no lyrics, and then go into that next chorus. That's literally how the whole song goes. When you end it, I would just end it on a G, and that's it. So that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. And yeah, it's been fun, guys. See you next time.